I don't think we had anything too crazy. We had like a Silver Wave Reese Hoskins number to 60 was maybe about as wild as it got. I'm ready to see an auto though, because they say they're in there. But anyways, let me roll up my sleeves. We'll take a look at this box and we'll go ahead and get started. It's just a sealed Cello box. Should have 12 packs and there'll be 18 cards per pack. Baseball seems to have more cards per pack. I don't know why, but it seems like every football break has 15 per pack. So usually I just go ahead and take them all out, line them up. Makes it a little bit easier. Got a couple more down here. Get the big box out of the way. I did my breaks a little bit different tonight. I got another football break that will start going off here in about an hour or so, or maybe 30 minutes or so. Usually gives me time to stop and sort after this break and then get ready for the next break. So if you do happen to get in the break later, the football break, it'll just be free shipping for that one. And I'll just combine the two. So anyways, good luck to you guys. We'll take a look at the back of the Cello pack. Let you, if I can get it folded down here. There's tons of odds and pack information. It's kind of a overwhelming lot of information there. They do get short printed like crazy in these Cellos. You can get them all the way down to 1, it looks like. I think the shortest print how would I say that? The card that I've gotten that was the shortest print was like to 25 possibly. Maybe would have been what it was. So I've opened 3 of these Cellos, I think, and not pulled an auto yet. So hopefully tonight's the night. Appreciate all y'all jumping in. I think we got every team paid before the break starts. Sometimes I don't even look anymore. We just rip. Somebody doesn't want to pay, I'll just hold the cards and maybe they will one day. I think I didn't have any waiting payment notifications, so we're good to go. Good to roll tonight. All right, we got Starling Marte, Justin Turner, Rustar Terrell for the Dodgers, rookie there. Move that out of the way. David Fletcher, Angels. There's a Bo Bichette rookie for the Blue Jays. Oh, we got another card right there. Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. And it's upside down silver rookie. Sheldon Noose for the Oakland Athletics. We got a Machines silver insert. Ronald Acuna Jr. Nice one for the Braves. Nolan Moncada. Juan Soto numbers game insert. Rico Garcia rookie for the Giants. And Travis Demerit rookie for the Tigers. Not too shabby. A rookie Jonathan Daza for the Rockies, red, white, and blue. Another rookie Logan Allen for the Indians. Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. There's Ozuna, red, white, and blue for the Braves. Eugenio Suarez for the Reds. And a brilliance insert of Jose Altuve for the Astros. There are quite a few rookies in that red, white, and blue pack. I do try to set a few cards aside from each Cello to go ahead and sleeve and top load, so we can have a nice little recap at the end. But then at the end of the video, I'll go back and sleeve and top load a bunch of other cards as well. Just don't do 15 cards per pack, because you'd be watching me sleeve all night. No, that Brilliance insert won't be numbered. None of the red, white, and blues in that last pack should ever be numbered. Got me double checking though. It was not numbered. Let me second guessing myself for just a second. There's a Juan Soto for the Nationals. Willie Adams for Rays. There's Bryce Harper for the Phillies. Kirby Yates for the Padres. Dallas Keuchel for the White Sox. Don't know how to say his last name correctly. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Ramon Laureano Silver for the Oakland Athletics. We have another Ronald Acuna Jr. Machines insert. That's just the base version there. Illumination Freddie Freeman, also for the Braves. Jose Altuve, Max Muncy, and Carlos Santana. So not really any rookies in that pack, I don't feel like. Unless I missed one. Old Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. John Means for the Orioles. Joe Palumbo, rookie for the Rangers. Nico Horner for the Cubs, rookie. We got Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. And Denny Santana, also for the Rangers. A couple Rangers, red, white, and blues. Nothing crazy in that pack. I feel like the last few times we've opened these boxes, we've gotten anywhere from 2 to 4 numbered cards. So I'm hoping we can keep that up tonight or do better. Lourdes Gurriel, the Blue Jays. Charlie Blackmon, Cole Hamels, Josh Rojas, Diamondbacks rookie there. Randy Rosarina, rookie for the Rays. Howie Kendrick. Silver's going to be upside down, pretty sure. Maybe, maybe not, maybe, yeah. Brad Keller, silver for the Royals. Go Royals. They hardly ever get any cards. Maybe they'll get some tonight. We got Lumber Incorporated Vlad Guerrero Jr. This is probably my favorite insert. I say that until I see another cool insert. I'll change my ways. Dan Vogelbach, the Mariners. Got Instant Impact Ronald Acuna Jr. This is probably my least favorite because it's horizontal. It just looks kind of messy to me. But Garrett Cole and Rusio Dubon, rookie for the San Francisco Giants. Michael Chavez, Jake Odorizzi, Eddie Rosario, Liam Hendricks for the Athletics, Patrick Corbin for the Nationals, and a Chris Bryant Illumination insert for the Chicago Cubs. Sound like we got any rookies in that red, white, and blue pack either. It's a nice silver Lumber Incorporated card though. I don't see too many of these. I'm wondering if it's just they don't have a lot of players in this portion of the set. It's like maybe Lumber Incorporated only has like 10 players or something. Or they're just a little bit more rare to pull. Not 100% sure. Oh, that's not going in that way. There we go. What was the first, does anybody know the first year for Prizm baseball? Like not the draft, but it's probably the same year, but the first year they released Prizm baseball, like the veteran players. Like this stuff. Was it last year? Or am I just way off? I think Select has been around since like 2013. I'm not sure about Prizm though. Logan Allen rookie for Cleveland. Tony Gonsolin. Marcell Ozuna. Base card there. Chris Bryant. Michael King rookie for New York. Looks like a green Prizm here. I don't think these are numbered. Brett Gardner. Also for New York. Yankees. Let's see here. No, those are just green Prizms, so no numbers there. Luis Castillo silver for the Reds. Got another Lumber Incorporated. Alex Bregman. Illumination Ketel Marte. Donnie Walton rookie for the Mariners. There's a Gavin Lux rookie for the Dodgers. And Rico Garcia for the Giants. Oh, that's a nice start to that pack. A little red, white, and blue Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays. Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. Joe Urshela. Clayton Kershaw, a couple Dodgers boys in there. Jesus Luzardo, rookie for the Athletics. And Whit Merrifield for the Royals. Not too shabby. I'm not gonna force a card in there. It's gotta find its own way. I don't know why. It's almost like give it a couple slides back and forth and it's good to go. Oh, putting him to sleep. Matt, you're a little troll, bro. Just a little river troll. Nice little Gavin Lux. You didn't answer my question, Matt. I know you heard me. Prizm Baseball. Was it 2019? Was that the first year they released it, or is it older than that? Sheldon Noose, rookie for Oakland. Brandon Woodruff. Andres Munoz, rookie for the Padres. Austin Meadows. Josh Bell. This green's going to be upside down. Yeah, we pulled one Yordan Wednesday. I remember sorting, I kind of thought the same thing. I only had one in the sort, and it was an insert. Logan Webb, green rookie for the Giants. Oh! Michael Brantley, silver for the Houston Astros. Don't follow baseball because it's not licensed. Wow. Top of the class, Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays. We got a Brilliance, Javi Baez. Anthony Kay, rookie for Toronto. There's Danny Duffy and Michael Conforto. A couple of base cards there. I think we got a Freddie Freeman insert. I told you I ordered that Freddie Freeman PSA 10. His Bowman first card was pretty cheap. Josh Rojas, red, white, and blue rookie for the Diamondbacks. Oh, there's a nice one. Randy Arozarena, red, white, and blue for the Tampa Bay Rays. We got a Howie Kendrick, Nationals. Buster Posey. Masahiro Tanaka for the New York Yankees. And Nicholas Castellanos for the Reds. Man, I need to work on my names. Wish there was like one YouTube video that encompassed every baseball player's name. That would be nice. Looks pretty slick. Still no numbered card. We just finished our 5th pack. It's kind of like that Wednesday night. We didn't get a numbered card till about the 8th or 9th pack. Juan Soto, Willie Adams, Bryce Harper, Kirby Yates, Dallas Keuchel. 5 base cards. This better be a decent gold I'm looking at here. Oh, 2012. Dang, that's cool. That's way back. Trevor Story. It looks gold. It also kind of looks rosy gold. We're going to find out what it's numbered to, though. Colorado Rockies. To 100. 15 out of 100. What color is that? I don't know the parallels super well. Oh my goodness, they have a ton of colors. We might look at that here in just a second again. Holy cow. That's a sweet looking card though, color wise. We got Clayton Kershaw silver for the Dodgers. We got another silver. Tariq Skubal warming in the pin for the Tigers. Christian Vasquez. Stargazing Anthony. Gosh, I can't stand you, Matt. Stargazing Anthony Rizzo. Michael Conforto and Trent Thornton. And what are you talking about? You ain't got no money to bid on a team. You told me the other day you keep your house at like 60. And make your kids wear those, what are those called, Snuggies? I know you save a bunch of money on heat and air. I wonder what... Maybe... I don't think it's orange. I think orange would be a little easier to tell. That's a sweet looking card, though. I need to get a Snuggie. Gotta be strong. Strong to open some of these packs. Alright, we got Luke Weaver. Manny Machado for the Padres. Joey Votto. Michael Baez, rookie for San Diego as well. Nelson Cruz. And a stargazing Mike Trout. My stack's getting a little high, so I'm going to move it on down a little ways. There we go. That's a nice looking card there. Always looking for a decent Mike Trout every break. I think we found one last week, or Wednesday too. I think it was just a regular red, white, and blue, maybe. I can't remember. Cool beans. Alright, that was the halfway point. We got 6 packs to go. We found one numbered card. Still no Jordan Alvarez like we were talking about a little bit ago. And no autos yet. Alright, we got Buster Posey, Michael Chavez, Jake Odorizzi, Eddie Rosario, Liam Hendricks, Mike Moustakas. Oh, silver Albert Pujols. Sorry, that's upside down. I keep forgetting that's going to happen. A nice little one for the Angels there. We have a top of the class Michael Toglia for the Rockies. Nolan Arenado. There's an illumination insert of Justin Verlander for the Astros. Willie Castro, rookie for Detroit. And Mike Soroka, base card for the Braves. Good grief. Ramon Lobriano for the Athletics. I think we got a silver of him, so we got a couple different colors there. David Grulon for the Phillies. Tommy Pham for the Padres. There's George Springer. I have a George Springer bat. They're really cheap at Academy, so I bought those Axe bats, I think, for like kids and stuff. There's a Christian Yelich, red, white, and blue from Milwaukee. We got another Mike Trout. This may have been the Mike Trout we pulled the other night, actually. Looks familiar. Red, white, and blue instant impact for the Angels. Let's try this way. Got him. But yeah, those little baseball bats they're kind of weird. They're like shaped like the end of an axe would be. Like they don't have like a flat surface at the end. It's kind of curved. It's kind of odd. Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Jack Flaherty. John Means. Joe Palumbo, rookie for the Rangers. Nico Horner for the Cubs. James Paxton. Silver. Oh, come on. Why did it do that to me? So they did put one upright on me. Robbie Ray, the Diamondbacks. At top of the class, Keone Kabako for the Twins. Not too shabby there. Silver. Illumination, Nolan Arenado. Caleb Smith, rookie for the Marlins. There's a Freddie Freeman base. And Eduardo Escobar for the Diamondbacks. I don't know if the KCS Railroad's working today. I haven't heard any trains come through yet, so we might be without. Red, white, and blue Mike Moustakas. Trent Grisham, rookie for the Padres. Brandon Lowe for the Rays. There's a Kyle Lewis, rookie for the Mariners. Haven't seen one of those yet. Max Kepler for the Twins. And Edwin Rios, rookie for the Dodgers. Hey, Jose. Let me get these cards sleeved, actually. Get them ready to go. Oh. Gosh, I do not want to push a card down in there without it going in smooth. There we go. It's like the second time sometimes it just slips right on in there. I like that picture. Got like a mild smile on his face. There we go. That wasn't too bad. James Paxton for the Yankees. Marco Gonzalez for the Mariners. TJ Zuch for the Toronto Blue Jays. That's a name I'm always not sure if I pronounce it correctly. I need to start writing them down during the break and then go look them up. Jose Abreu. Jake Fraley, rookie for the Mariners. Ooh, this card's definitely upside down. But it looks like a nice one. A red mojo, maybe. Oh my goodness, that's a sick looking card. And I guess this product was released in time to get him in the new uniform too. That is nasty. Mookie Betts, I'm hoping it's low numbered. I have no idea what it is though. 149, that's not bad. Alright. Mookie Betts, I call that a red mojo, numbered to 149. Okay, that sounds good, Jose. No worries. Madison Bumgarner, silver for the D-backs. Let me flip this card over. It looks like a Machines Freddie Freeman, though. Yeah, nice Freddie Freeman insert for the Braves. Another Braves card, Ozzie Albies. Stargazing, Jose Altuve. Carlos Santana, and Jorge Polanco. That was a pretty decent pack, I feel like. You got the old boy Freddie Freeman. And the Mookie Betts is nice looking, too. That is really cool. That's the biggest thing. It's like when we're doing like the football breaks and stuff, we're looking for the Genesis and Mosaic and Starlight Parallels if we did Illusions the other night. And with Prizm, you're looking for silvers and all that junk. But it's like sometimes when you see a big card, you're just hoping it's not some no-name. You're just hoping that you can get it in a sleeve without looking like a fool. Just going to pull it out and get a little more centered there. Maybe. That's a sweet card. 106 of 149. Jake Fraley for the Mariners, rookie there. Julio Teheran. Not sure on that one. Adalberto Mondesi for the Royals. Michael Brantley for the Astros. There's Trevor Bauer for the Reds. Zach Greinke also for the Astros. Oh, they got a pretty bad print line right on the front. Base Clayton Kershaw. Looks like somebody ran it over with a pizza cutter. Anthony Rendon. Domingo Leyva, rookie for the Diamondbacks. Matt Dice for the Angels. Patrick Sandoval also for the Angels. There's DJ LeMahieu, base card. Silver looks upside down. Marcus Semien, silver for the Athletics. We have a silver top of the class, it looks like here. Bryson Stott for the Phillies. JD Martinez, base card for the Red Sox. We got instant impact Whit Merrifield for the Royals. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. And Adbert Alzolay for the Cubs. Rookie there. Old Bobby Bradley, rookie for the Indians. Jonathan Hernandez for the Rangers. Colton Wong for the Cardinals. Yasmani Grandal, Chicago White Sox, I believe that is. Jeff McNeil for the Mets. And illumination insert of Anthony Rendon for the Angels. haven't seen a Jason Dominguez since one of the first times I ever broke this stuff. He may only have one card in here. I'm not 100% sure if it's like a top of the class. I can't remember. Can't remember what cards he's got in this set. I'm pretty sure it was one of the first breaks we pulled one of his cards. Shane Bieber, Steven Strasburg, Eduardo Rodriguez, Spencer Turnbull, Lorenzo Kane, a bunch of base cards there. There's a Brian Abreu rookie. Finally got a rookie. Starlin Castro silver for the Nationals. We got a warming in the pen Logan Gilbert for the Mariners, silver there. A Josh Bell instant impact for the Pirates. Paul DeYoung, Hunter Dozier, and Yu Darvish. So a lot of base cards in that pack with a couple silvers. There's a Chris Bryant. I think we got another red, white, and blue insert of him earlier. Michael King, rookie for New York. San Diaz for the Marlins. Gary Sanchez, also for the Yankees. Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. And Wilson Contreras, red, white, and blue for the Cubs. Alright, last pack here. We've gotten two numbered cards now. What's it? Maybe a Trevor Story and a Mookie Betts, I believe. Clayton Kershaw. Oops. Anthony Rendon. Domingo Labor, rookie. The Diamondbacks. Matt Thaiss. This is a similar pack to a second ago. Patrick Sandoval. DJ LeMahieu. Hopefully the silvers are different. Gio Urshela. Silver for New York. Fireworks insert of Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Got a Brilliance Pete Alonso for the Mets. Got a Denny Santana, Matt Olson, and Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Not a lot going on the last couple packs as far as like rookies and just overall juiciness goes. Alright, last red, white, and blue here. James Paxton, Marco Gonzalez, TJ Zuch, rookie for the Blue Jays. Nice Jose Abreu for the White Sox. Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. And a Shohei Ohtani numbers insert for the Angels. So a few big names towards the end of that Cello. Alright, we'll do a quick recap here. Got quite a few cards top loaded. Got quite a few other ones to handle after the break. Get those sleeves and top loaders as well. But we have Machines Silver, Ronald Acuna Jr. Sheldon Neuse Silver rookie for the Oakland Athletics. There's a Bo Bichette rookie for the Blue Jays. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Lumber Incorporated insert. It's also a silver for the Blue Jays. Randy Rosarina rookie. Bo Bichette red, white, and blue. Gavin Lux rookie. Randy Rosarina, another one. There's a red, white, and blue for the Rays. Logan Webb green for the Giants. I think the greens are kind of cool because we only found one or two per cello box usually. Clayton Kershaw silver. Trevor Story. Honestly don't know what to call this color wise. But it was numbered to 100, I believe. 15 out of 100. Maybe like a rose gold or something. Or cream. I don't know. I'll look it up here in just a second. Mike Trout, red, white, and blue stargazing. We got an instant impact. Red, white, and blue Mike Trout. Kyle Lewis, red, white, and blue. Top of the class, Keone Cavaco, silver for the Twins. Freddie Freeman, machine, silver for the Braves. Mookie Betts, red mojo at 149. Top of the class, Bryson Stott, silver for the Phillies. Before I get off here, I'll look that up. See if I can give an answer to what I'm looking at here. Let's see. Mojo, neon orange, Prizm red wave, Players of snake, navy blue, burgundy, cracked ice, gold Prizm, forest green, finite. It could be a neon orange. It's either neon orange or gold. It's probably neon orange, honestly, because I would imagine gold is either it's probably out of a 10 if it's gold, so we'll say neon orange. I guess if you look at it from a different angle, it might look kind of orangish, but it's definitely more orange probably than any other major color, so that's what we'll go with. Neon orange out of 100. I'll look it up on eBay and see if there's some other neon oranges that look like that listed as well. So you guys take it easy. If you need something, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. Be glad to try to help you out. Hop off here, start doing some card sorting, get the video uploaded to YouTube, and get ready for that football break at midnight. So you guys take it easy. Have a good rest of your first day of 2021. We'll catch you later. Armando, I did not see any Yordan Alvarez cards tonight.